Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add Spotify to Notion in just a few simple steps. First, switch to your Spotify tab where you'll need to open the playlist you want to embed. Click on the track to start playing it. The play button changes to pause when it's active. Now click the three-dot menu button next to the playlist title, then select Share from the menu that appears. In the Share submenu, click Copy Link to Playlist, and you'll see a notification confirming the link was copied to your clipboard. Switch back to your Notion tab where you have an empty line ready on your page. Click to place your cursor on that line, then paste the Spotify link you just copied. A Past As menu appears with several options. Click Embed to insert the playlist as a playable block. The embed loads and your Spotify playlist now appears in line on the page with full playback controls visible. You can resize the embed block by dragging the handles at the edges to fit your page layout. Anyone with access to your Notion page will be able to play the playlist directly without leaving Notion, but they'll need their own Spotify account to listen. The embed stays live, so if you update the playlist in Spotify, the changes will reflect in Notion automatically. And that's how to add Spotify to Notion. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.